This is more like it. But I know where I'm going. So how big is it? Oh, that's nice. That's a lovely drop. Oh, it's nice and loamy. First time down this track, so what's this? Let's go. Yeah, fine. Oh, that's quite tasty. What's this? A little step up. Huh. That was nice. Although, what unexpected. Oh, off camber. Proper off camber. Oh yes, I like that. Oh, okay. Back onto the train. Oh no, I've lost the chain. No way. No way. Right, so I'm just heading back to the van after that trail because I dropped the chain, which doesn't happen very often, which surprised me because I got a chain guard as well. But I'll show you why it did it in a minute, and it'll explain a lot. So the crank was coming off. Fuck. That's the culprit. What the fuck's happened there? Shit. Oh, tell me I brought that with me. That's some screwed. Shit. Shit. There we go, that's what I'm after. Now we go on. So this little bitch has come loose. And I haven't brought the right tool with me. So I'm going to have to improvise. Right, so the issue was the castle nut had worked loose, resulting in the crank working loose, resulting in the chain ring coming off almost. So I thought I'd brought everything I needed, which I didn't. I didn't actually have the castle nut. Yeah, the castle nut piece, whatever you call it, part tools thing. So I had to resort to caveman style, ghetto style, which was using an old butter knife that was in my toolbox. And as you've seen, I put it in the castellations and just tapped it round as tight as I could get it without giving it too much welly, because I don't want to damage it. I had the adapter piece with me for the ratchet, which is this, but then the castellation part sits in there and sits on the nut, and you turn it anti-clockwise to tighten it. And like a tool, I left that at home. That's probably why my bike was creaking like a bitch earlier and all. Bit of a daunting running, if we're honest. Bit lovely when you... Oh, I didn't do it so well that time, too slow. Right, so my repair, well I say repair, it's not repair, my Ghetto fix for my loose chain ring has not worked. It's come loose again after one more run. So I'm going to have to call it a day. That's it, day's done. Oh, what a disappointment. I'm not riding it because it's coming loose and it's going to ruin it, and if I keep hitting it the way I did earlier, it's not good. It'll break the nut, and don't want to do that. So another brief video for you, but there you go. I don't think I can do it, I'm afraid, but I'm quite enjoying making the videos. Oh bollocks, now I've got a soaking wet leg. Fuck's sake, doesn't that just piss you off? Been dry all fucking ride, doing the last trail back to the van, and the damn thing's drenched me. Fuck's sake. Anyway, like I was trying to say, at the minute I'm enjoying making the videos again. So thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Don't know where it will be or when it will be.